You massage in the cream on top of the spots. So if you are treating your spots, you can do this morning, night, morning, night. Hello there, welcome back to my channel. So if you're just seeing me for the first time, this is HBM. You're welcome to my channel. If you've not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell below so that whenever I drop a new video you get notified. So today I want to teach you how you can actually clear your sunburn, clear your dark spots in less than 1 week. Like when I mean in less than 1 week, I really mean in less than 1 week. Okay, so I just want to show you a particular product that you can actually use. This product is a tube cream, but this tube cream is a tube cream you can actually use on your face in case you want to premix a whitening face cream, you want to premix sunburn cream. You can actually use this tube cream, but I'll also be directing you how you can actually use this cream. So this is actually a sponsored video. Yeah, for so many of my products on this channel, especially when I do product review, most of the time it is a sponsored video. Fine, I don't just announce it, like I don't just like to do that, but I just feel like no, I should do that. Why have I not been talking about it, by the way? I mean, if I should do that, it's not a crime. So I just feel like I should just announce to you guys that this video actually is a sponsored video. But before I sponsor any video on my channel, I try to use the product, I try to sample the product. I don't just collect products and come and sponsor, okay? I don't just collect products all because maybe you're paying me, then I'll just come and talk about something I know it's not working, or something I know it's not real. No, I don't do that, because definitely if it didn't work for you, you will definitely fire back at me. So, and I don't want that. So any product I come here to review, please just know that the product has either been sampled by me or I've given it out for somebody to sample for me. Okay, so I'm here to just talk about a particular product. I've actually talked about one of the brand before, but this time around it's still the same brand, but it's just like an upgraded brand of it, and I'm talking about the Olibat. Yeah, I actually made a video about Olibat some time ago, this Olibat some times back. So for this one, you want something that will really fight antifungal, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. Okay, you are promising your cream, you just want something that you can use to tackle acne, reaction, or any eczema or ringworm that may arise. Okay, this is okay. I've actually removed one from it before. Okay, I've removed one from this before because I had to give it to one of my staff to sample it, and believe me, like I saw results. I saw results that is convincing, and that is why I'm here to actually do the review. Olibat Anti-Mark is a complexion lightening cream. It is a 7 days action cream. It is being written that it is a spot remover. So if you know you don't want to lighten your skin, please do not use this. You can see from light, lighter, lightest, if there's any English like that. Okay, so from 1 shade to 2 shades to 3 shades, you can just apply this cream on a tone like that. Okay, if you're applying the cream, because why I'm about to say this is I know most of you will come and say it BM, but this cream contains clobetasol. If you're applying the cream, please, this is the way to apply it. By the time you apply this cream and you've achieved your results, please, you can just stop applying. Okay, by the time you apply and you achieve your result, you can just stop applying, you can just rest and be giving it a break. Okay, so let's assume you want to clear dark spots. Okay, you want to clear dark spots with this, and you're always applying where you have dark spots. You don't want to apply it all over the face because you're not having dark spots all over the face. Let me just show you. So let's assume I have a dark spot here, so you just massage. Okay, you massage there. Okay, you just massage. I think I put too much here. You massage. Can you see the way I'm doing it? You massage like this until the cream has absorbed. You massage in the cream on top of the spots. So if you are treating your spots, you can do this morning, night, morning, night. Okay, but if you are treating sunburn, let me show you how you can use this on sunburn. If you are treating sunburn, apply it where you are having sunburn. Massage it in where you are having sunburn. Only at night. In the daytime, use sunscreen. Do you get? Massage where you are having sunburn. Only at night. In the daytime, use sunscreen. So by the time you see that your sunburn is fading out, you can start applying this all over your face. By the time you see that your sunburn has faded out, so you can apply this all over your face. Right now the cream is too much on my face, that's why you're seeing it like this. I'm just explaining. So by the time your sunburn has faded out, start applying this cream all over your face. Only at night. In the daytime, use sunscreen. So if you're using this cream, please always use sunscreen and apply this cream only at night. Okay, so if you now see that your face, you've achieved the result that you want, you can just use this to maintain whichever parts you've lightened up, or whichever parts that you've cleared out the dark spot. You can choose to apply this, let me say 4 times in a week, only at night, just to maintain that skin tone you've achieved. Okay, so that is how you actually use this. So like I said, this is just like 2-in-1. What's the first ole bath we do? This will do it, and this will lighten your skin. So you can use this also to premix a whitening face cream, and you can also put this in a lotion. Yeah, you can actually put this also in a lotion. Okay, and another thing again is that these actually look like apple vets. I'm going to put the apple vet on the screen so that you see. This actually looks like apple vet. This is very, very effective. Please, if you don't want to whiten your skin, forget the lightning that they wrote there. This will whiten your skin. So if you don't want to whiten your skin, do not use this product. But if you want to whiten your skin, you can try this. This tube is very, very safe. Very, very safe for you. You can do skin whitening with this tube. It's very, very safe for you. So I know some people come and ask me, can you apply only the tube all over your body? Yes, you can apply this tube all over your body, only at night. In the daytime, please apply a glow oil. One thing with skincare, you have to do it with scent. You have to know how you can blend them in together. It's not as if you will be rubbing one thing from morning, night, Monday to Sunday. Okay, so you can actually apply this on your body. Like I said, if you have achieved that skin tone you want, please don't use it every time again, so that your skin will not start thinning out. Because believe me, even when you use your alpha arbutin powder in a concentrate that is not recommended, it will get to a point whereby it will start thinning out your skin, despite the fact that alpha arbutin is a plant-based derived ingredient. So that's why they say too much of everything is bad. So do not overdo it. If you don't overdo tube cream, then you will be very, very safe. You will have a very clean skin. If you want to purchase these products in packs, I'm going to drop the contact in my description box. So please kindly check my description box on how you can actually get this product. Like I said, it is strictly for skin lightening, intense skin lightening, or let me call it skin whitening. So thank you so much for watching the video, and I would really like you to try this product and come back to come and give me your own review also. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.